Now, the market has experienced a significant pullback as of recently, and I have, of course, been picking up some shares at discounted prices. And I like to share everything I do with my subscribers and viewers. So without further ado, here are my correction trades. Now, before I continue, please consider hitting the like button if you want to support my work. Subscribe if you want more content. I plan on posting a video every Monday at 8 p.m. CEST or 2 p.m. EDT, so please stay tuned for that. Timestamps in the video description. Let's get going. Now, I don't have any rigid system for buying the dip, but whenever one do come along, I try to gather up as much as I can and buy as many shares as I can. The sizes of the trades and which stocks I buy is quite random. I just buy whatever I feel like right then and there when I'm about to click the button. And which stocks I buy, I love all my companies, so it's quite random, but here we go. So I picked up 2 shares of NVDA at 570 and 1 at 551, a total of 1691. 4 shares of MongoDB at 219, total of 876. 11 shares of Activision Blizzard at 79 and 3 shares at 77, 1100 total. 2 shares of Microsoft at 207, total for 14. 2 shares of NextEra Energy at 261, 562 total. 2 shares of Tesla at 385, of course, total of 77. 2 shares of the Trade Desk at 427, total of 854. And then I sold 3 shares of a Bitcoin ETF for a total of 1221. So I bought shares worth about 6,267, and those were the trades I could do this time around. I usually stay 100% investor, so I don't have tens of thousands of dollars laying around. And just as a reminder, here's my portfolio, or at least the companies I'm invested in. I'll do a full video on my portfolio if you guys want to. It has changed a lot since last time, so let me know if you want me to do that. Please give me the trades you made this correction, or do you think the worst is still to come? And if nothing else, I hope these quick update videos will serve as reminders to buy when prices are falling. Every correction and every crash feels hopeless. And amongst all the FUD, it seems like the end of the world until it turns around, and it always does. So buy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. Buy the dip in the companies you love. These small corrections will be forgotten in a couple of years. So that's it. I'll keep you updated when next dip rolls around. Until then.